get started with your sticker making, first decide which program you'd like to design your stickers in. I'm using ArtRage, which is a Microsoft program. A lot of people use Procreate or other Adobe products. I've been using ArtRage for about 8 years, so I'm very familiar with the layout. When you've finished designing your sticker, you'll want to import it into Silhouette Studio. You'll probably need to upgrade to the Designer or Business Edition for Silhouette Studio in order to import files. You'll want to create your stickers down to the right size. I usually go around 2 or 3 inches. In order to get the outline around your sticker, click on the star symbol and click Offset. This will create a little offset around your sticker where the machine will cut. You can change how big or small the offset appears. Then make sure you turn on your registration marks. This will help your machine cut more accurately. Then, to save time, I usually just copy and paste each image over and over again until I fill up the sheet the way I want it. Now you're almost ready to cut. You want to click on Send, and this will take you to the settings. I use Cardstock-Adhesive Backed, then I use Cut, then I use Deep Blade Cut. My stickers are laminated, so I needed the force to be on 33 and the number of passes to come out at 10. If you don't laminate, you might be able to get away with fewer passes, maybe 3 to 5. You'll need to print your sticker sheet. Now you're all ready to complete your project. The stickiness on my mat tends to wear off pretty fast, so I usually tape my sticker sheets down to keep them from slipping. Our stickers are all done and they turned out great. Join me next time to create more awesome crafts.